Now, Samsung Electronics ended 2018 on a bit of a bum note, it's fair to say. South Korea's biggest tech firm posted much lower than expected operating profits during the October to December period. However, all in all, 2018 was another stellar year for Samsung, especially in terms of sales. Our economics correspondent Ji-yeon with the details.
2018 for Korean tech giant Samsung Electronics can be summed up as bittersweet as it releases its provisional earnings report on Tuesday. Q4 earnings have dropped sharply, mainly due to sluggish demand in the memory chip business and growing competition in the smartphone sector. Operating profits in the fourth quarter tumbled 28.7% on year to around $9.7 billion, while Q4 sales dropped by nearly 10.6% to record $52.8 billion. That's much lower than predictions made by local analysts, which estimated Samsung Electronics would see $10.7 billion in Q4 operating profits and Q4 sales of $55.4 billion. Meanwhile, the company's sales and operating profits both hit a yearly all-time high in 2018 due to a semiconductor boom that lasted until the third quarter. The company's combined sales for 2018 surpassed $217.7 billion, and operating profits amounted to more than $53.6 billion. But the worst may be yet to come for Samsung, as analysts anticipate semiconductor prices to drop further this year as customers cut their orders.
The root cause of dwindling demand for semiconductors and smartphones comes from rising uncertainties in trade stemming from tit-for-tat tariffs from China and the US, on top of signs of a slowing global economy.
The expert says a dramatic uptick in earnings is unlikely as global chip manufacturers undergo inventory adjustment, while the general consensus among local market watchers is that Samsung may be able to rebound in the latter half of 2019 due to seasonal factors. The Korean smartphone maker has attempted to recover from the dismal fourth quarter figures by joining hands with U.S. tech giant Apple, a rare move considering they've been locked into years-long patent suits around the world. They've announced Sunday that Samsung Smart TVs will offer iTunes movie and TV show service from this spring. Both companies face challenges from Chinese competitors as they expand their presence in China and other emerging markets. Ji-yeon, Arirang News.